Some of the language in your Google form might be a little bit challenging. So I'm going to open up the form and I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Read and Write tool to give you definitions of the words that are a little bit hard to understand. So the first question is, why do you think Parvana is considered ugly? I might not know what the word considered means, so I can highlight it. And I have the Google Read and Write tool up because I clicked on the purple puzzle piece with the RW in the middle. And I will click on this icon that looks like a book to show the dictionary. And it's going to give me a couple definitions. And I'm going to read them all until I think I found one that will show me or tell me what the word considered really means. So, carefully weighed, I'm not really sure what that means. Think that something is a certain way. Um, in fifth grade, I think I could know if something is a certain way. So, why do you think Parvana is in a certain way ugly? So, to some people, why is she ugly? But I can keep reading. Think carefully and logically about something. So, why do you think Parvana is thought to be carefully and logically considered ugly by the people around her? And then this one is really good. Judge or regard. Why do you think Parvana is judged to be ugly? I know a lot of people can relate to being judged. So, really, this is a good word or a good definition to considered. Why do you think Parvana is being judged to be ugly? And then I can answer that question using the information from the chapter. If I get another word that I'm not really sure of, relate, I can highlight that and click on the dictionary. Compare and contrast. Now, that's a little bit complicated, but Miss Quigley gave you a hint where I made this question into a couple other different questions that could be answered the same way. So I could answer all of these questions and give the same information as I would if I were to just answer this one question. So if you're worried about compare and contrast, just read my hint and you will be able to answer the question in the correct way. What could be the benefits? Benefit? What does that mean? I'm gonna click on the dictionary and I'm gonna see a helpful effect or advantage. So, what could be the helpful of starting a school for girls? What could be helpful about starting a school for girls in this situation? Something that aids or promotes well-being. So something that really helps people to be well, to get the best out of something. So, what could be the benefits or help people, the girls, to start a school for for girls in this situation? And then the last question is, explain why Parvana insisted on not leaving home. Which factors led to mom's decision? Insisted, let me see what that means. Insisted. continuously demand something. So if you are insisting on something, that means that you're telling your mom, this has to be it. I have to not leave home. And even you can look up the words in the definition, and you can even go to dictionary.com, and you could read even more definitions that might help you. And I'll put the link in Google Classroom on this assignment. And by factors, I mean what things led to the mom's decision. So, like, if I look up factors, something that influences something else. So, what happened that made the mom decide that Parvana shouldn't leave home? So you can really look up all of these words. If you don't know what the question means, you can really look up all of the words. And even I could go to dictionary.com, and it's like the same as thesaurus.com, where I can put in a word in the toolbar. I'm looking up the word insist.